Yo, what's up, yo? So I'm about to sing Sunday Morning by Maroon 5, so here goes nothing. Sunday morning, rain is falling. Steal some cover, share some skin. Clouds are shrouding us in moments unforgettable. You twist to fit the mold that I'm in. But things just get so crazy, living life gets hard to do. And I would gladly hit the road, get up and go if I knew that someday it will lead me back to you. That someday it will lead me back to you. That may be all I need. In darkness, He is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, and I never wanna leave. Fingers trace your every outline. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Paint a picture in my head. Back and forth we sway like branches in a storm. Change the weather, feel the weather till it ends. Then Sunday morning, rain is falling and I'm calling out to you, singing someday it will lead me back to you. Someday it will lead me back to you.